there, it's Eagle Runner Bill. I've got this Casio wristwatch and a sewing needle, and I'm going to show you how I replaced the Watchband on this twin sensor Casio watch. Now, first thing you notice is this metal band on the outside of the rubber wristband, and you see there's a little hole there, and I'm just pushing in the center of that hole because in the center of that hole is your spring bar or spring pin, and all I got to do is collapse that spring pin and then remove this metal trim right here. Just take that and wiggle it, make sure you get that little tit of the spring bar down so it's not engaged on the trim bar, and there you go, it popped right off. The bottom is the exact same way, and I got that thing taken off. Now all I got to do is push the spring pin out, and once I get it started, hopefully I'll be able to grab it with my fingers and pull it out. And there's your spring pin. Watch band came off. That's all there is to it. Now we got to put it back on. First thing, align your new band and slide your spring pin back in place. And then I suggest that you verify, make sure you put that on properly. It isn't on backwards or in the wrong way. Make sure it's going to work. Okay, it looks like that's the correct way. It looks like that's how it works. So now I'm going to take this piece of trim, line it up. Now you'll observe one side of the trim is flat, the other side's at an angle. Line it up and get that spring pin tit to go through the hole and line that up. Now on the other side, it's spring actuated, so you're going to have to condense that pin, push it down, and get it underneath the metal trim. And you're holding the metal trim with one finger, trying to slide it on top of that spring pin. There, once you got it underneath, wiggle it around and play with it till you see the tit fill that hole on the top of that metal trim. There you go, and there you even can hear it snap in place. Verify that that tit is actually in the hole there, so it's locked in place. And then I suggest you wiggle it around and play with it a lot to verify it is locked in place so it doesn't fall apart the minute you put it on. There you go. It looks like we're good to go here. I just changed the watch band on this Casio. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.